Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix iSolved login issues, company code errors step by step clearly. Begin by verifying that you have the correct company code. This code is essential for accessing your iSolved account. If you're unsure about the code, consult your HR department or system administrator. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable connection before attempting to log in again. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve unexpected login issues. To do this, open your browser settings and look for the Privacy or History section. Once there, select the option to clear browsing data. After clearing your cache and cookies, restart your browser. Now, try logging into iSolved once more, using your company code. If you still encounter issues, attempt to use a different web browser. Sometimes, browser compatibility can cause login problems. If the problem persists, ensure that your login credentials are correct. Double-check your username and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, look for a Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. Once your password is reset, attempt to log in again. If you are still unable to log in, reach out to your IT support team. Provide them with specific details about the error messages you are receiving. Your IT team may be able to access back-end settings to resolve the issue. In some cases, access permissions may need to be adjusted. If you are part of a larger organization, ensure that the iSolved system is up and running by checking for any outages. You can usually find this information on your organization's internal communications platform. Lastly, if all else fails, consider reinstalling the iSolved app if you are using a mobile device. This can help resolve any local issues related to the app itself. Following these steps should help you fix login issues related to your company code in iSolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.